This is the iQOO Z11T. We already disassembled this just 2 days ago. Today, let's take a closer look at its camera's resolution. It has a 200 megapixel main camera, a dual camera system. Let's take another look at the Weibo Y500 Polo. It also features 200 megapixels, which means it's a 200 million pixel camera. Since this one has 200 million pixels, let's go ahead and try out its 200 megapixel capability. We'll also check if it includes a telephoto lens.
Let's just go ahead and pull it up, shall we? We're looking at a 40 times magnification here, and the clarity, I have to admit, is actually quite impressive. Wouldn't you agree?
Yes, absolutely. The pixel quality is incredibly sharp. The 200 million pixels truly live up to their reputation. Oh, this is Kanglang Fuguang. It's Kanglang Fuguang, isn't it? Let me take a closer look.
Yes, Kanglang Fuguang walk. Pause. Now regarding its appearance, this is the S50. Let's take a closer look and compare them. Pause. They both feature the same, very smoothly rounded R corners. Pause. And the S50 is exactly the same in that regard. Pause. They're also precisely the same size. Pause. Although even this part here, pause, wait, it's actually just a little bit different.
It's almost identical from top to bottom, side to side.
It's got a metal frame, you know, and the S50 also comes with a metal frame, then the back cover. It's completely made of glass, a really beautiful glass back cover. I truly believe this is going to be a massive hit product, the very next big bestseller, without a doubt. I'm personally quite fond of the Z11 top model.
5th Gen Snapdragon 8, self-developed chip Q2, then 7 stars lit up on here, and today we're not holding anything back because it's all been leaked online, so I'm not scared anymore, alright? What it is, how it's serious with This is absolutely, without a doubt, going to be the next big hit. And it's the absolute lowest price you'll find anywhere online. Truly the lowest price across the entire network. I mean, the very lowest. If you want to find out more about it, just leave a comment below and you'll certainly get a response.
Don't worry, everyone. This is for the 2,000 yuan price point, or within that upper limit. For those looking for something above 2,000, the iQOO 15 Ultra will definitely be released before the end of the year. It will definitely be released before the end of the year, so you can all wait a little longer, okay?
This one, priced around 2,000, you can absolutely go ahead and grab it. It definitely won't let you down. The camera performance is also quite impressive, and when it comes to gaming, it's incredibly, truly powerful. The strong just get even stronger. It's the iQOO Z11T. If anyone needs one, remember to reach out to Brother Fei. You can inquire about the price without any hesitation. Alright then, that's going to be all for today. No more unnecessary chatter from me. Bye.